Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so now I'm going to share with you how you are going to manipulate this data. This one is in the form of word kan. Yang ini dalam bentuk perkataan, betul tak? We want it to be inside the numbers, correct? Why? Because after it's become numbers, so we can copy it and paste it inside our SPSS and then it will become marvelous. Correct or not? So now, the thing is, you must put the ID first. You must put the ID. So now follow me. Go into the gender here. Double click to the gender. It will go to the variable view. Please add one more variable like this. Add one more variable like that and then put ID. ID is for identification of the respondent. Okay, I make a repetition. Okay, first of all, this is your data, right? Knowledge on renal. Nothing here. Is clean. Go into the variable view, right click, choose the first column, right click and then put the insert new variable. In that variable's name you put as the ID. Just put the ID. After finish that one, go to your data view and ready to paste everything from the from the Excel into the SPSS. Don't forget to save, minimize this one and then please open your Excel. So now we are going to manipulate all of the data from the Excel to become SPSS enabled. How you can manipulate this data to become enabled for us to copy it and paste it inside the SPSS. So make sure that the variable are the same lah. For example, this one. This is our SPSS. We got the gender, race, education, years of experience, years of working in the ward, salaries, GPA, age, healthcare, college, blah blah blah. Same also with this gender, race, education, years of experience in the renal ward, salaries, GPA, age, and then your previous experience working and also your previous study experience. Okay. The next one that we need to put into this data are the ID because there is no ID, right? Okay, so how to make an ID is very simple. You just click the B column, you right click and then put the insert. After you put insert, you right click again, you click the format cells. You teach the computer, this is the cells need to be identified as numbers. And then you click O. Okay, after you click OK, you put here ID and then you can put number 1, number 2, and then you select number 1 and 2 and drop it down until your finished respondent. So you got 29 respondent here. Okay, can you see it? Okay, the next one, I'm going to change the gender as numbers. So I'm going to highlight the C column. I'm going to push Ctrl F. I'm going to push the button of Ctrl F. Ctrl F means that find. Ctrl F. And then I'm going to go to the tab of replace. Can you see the replace tab here? You go to the replace tab. You type here female. I'm going to change the female into 2. So I'm going to click the replace button. So all the female identification will become number 2. Okay, do the same thing. This one for male. Male, change to 1. So that we teach the computer. Please computer, if you see MALE, please replace with number 1. And then you click replace all. It will make the replacement straight away. If you got 1 million or so, it will change that, like that. But make sure you select the column appropriately. Otherwise, it will change every of your data. And make sure you target the longer one first. For example, the female. If you change the male first, then it will become what? F1. Sebab male is also considered, female also having the number of male kan? So kalau you buat male dulu, you cakap male, replace to 1, dia akan jadi semua 1, termasuk female. Sebab female punya perkataan tu, nak dieja ada perkataan MALE kan? So that's why I'm preferring the longer one first. Okay, same also for the race. You go for the next column, you go push the Ctrl and F. If I say push Ctrl and F, that means my left hand do that operation. Okay, go to the replace and then write there Malay. Malay we change into number 1. Replace all. Automatically the computer will do it for us. Malay is 1. Indian is 2, right? Okay, good. And then we got Chinese. Chinese is 3. Unfortunately, I don't think we got Chinese. So we got Chinese also 1. Okay, and then others. Others is 4. So others, they got the S here, just remove the S. So everything is become the number. Easy or not easy? It's very easy. Okay, the next one for the education. Okay, listen here, listen here. For the education, I want you to practice if you want to change it for the longer one. For example, diploma ni kan, you nak type diploma tu, sometimes you afraid that you are wrongly typed. So the best thing to do is you just double click here, select the diploma and Control C, you copy first. Highlight the column, you Control F and then go to the replace, you highlight the others here or this area and then Control B. Control B means that paste lah. Go into the replace with number 1 and then replace all. Okay, the next one is the degree and above. You highlight the degree and above, Control C, highlight the column, highlight this one, find what? Find the degree and above. Okay, find the degree and above, select this one first, change into number 2, replace all. So this one is after 1. Can you see why it become after 1? Because after 1 are degree. So you take the after 1 here and then select this one. After 1 change to number 3 and then it will make replacement like that. Finish. Okay. Okay, the next experiment or the next idea is we want to remove any unwanted words. For example, this guy or these ladies are fully understood that we need the age in years. But all of these beautiful guys and beautiful girls put the years also. No worries. That is our duty to clean it up. Okay, so how to clean it up? Very basic. You just click the years. Okay, you type the years here. Type the years. Go to the column. Control F also. Put the years there. Replace with what? Replace with none. Nothing. And then click replace. Automatically the years will gone. See? There are 2 other intelligent personnel here. They put the year. Never mind. You just delete. And then one miracle of God. This one is miracle of God. They write into the form of word. Never mind. We just replace it accordingly. Okay. Now you can do it then. Okay. The next one is the years of experience. You see this one? These guys are so good. They put the 2012 so that they want you to calculate for her or for him. So you just put here 6 lah kan. So this one is very accurate, 1.7. Okay, this one is finished. Salary. So I believe this one is 3 million. No lah kan, this one is 3,000 lah. Okay. So this is example how you want to clarify or adjust your data accordingly lah to make it sense. Okay, the next one, the last one but not least is this one, KKM and non-KKM. So which one we want to change first? Non-KKM first, right? Because it's the longer one, right? Copy. Highlight these 2 columns highlight these 2 column, Control F. Non-KKM, we put this one as 0, correct or not? Or 2. I can't remember this one. Can anybody help me? So we can just go here and see back. KKM is 1, non-KKM is 2. So you just put here 2 and automatically everything will be changed. Okay? And then the next one for the KKM, you highlight the KKM here, copy, highlight the 2 column. Sorry. Control F, place the KKM there and then put the 1, replace all. Automatically it will change for you. In a split second. Excuse me. Okay, the last but not least is the number for all of this. Okay, please bear in mind. You just follow me. Go here. Highlight the yes. Highlight everything until the required. Sorry. Again. Sorry. Again. Okay, again. Okay, put the yes button here, copy, highlight the column M until the column AU, Control F, and then put here yes. Yes is what? 1. Replace all. And then do the same thing for no. No, replace with 0. Replace all. Automatically our data is being converted into numbers. Now after this, you can just click here and click this one. Okay, don't forget to push the shift button. Scroll down here, shift button, click here, Ctrl C and paste everything inside the SPSS. And then voila, it's done. It's finished already, everything will be inserted inside our data. So completed already. So the Power Girl group is already completed their research, so they can graduate tomorrow. Okay.